Well, if you've been putting life on hold because of knee pain, now is the time to take control and get back your ability to move without discomfort. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Robert Greiner explains the technology involved in a robotic knee replacement.
Currently, technology has changed to allow for people to get knee replacements and joint replacements that could last them much longer in years. They can get them later in life, and that allows them to experience a much better quality of life. Robotic knee replacement is designed to give patients a much more customized approach to the surgery. We're able to get it individualized to each patient, allow for a much quicker recovery. It's less invasive than traditional surgeries, which use jigs and cutting blocks as well as rods up in the canals to do the surgery. And we're able to get much more precise alignment that hopefully lasts them many years in the future. If you're a candidate for traditional knee surgery, you're also a candidate for robotic surgery. Robotic surgery adds to the effect that you get as far as getting a quicker recovery. You're able to get much better alignment, and patients that could normally get a traditional knee surgery are also a candidate for robotic knee surgery. Robotic surgery allows for a much less invasive approach to surgery, so the pain is much less. You also see much less blood loss. There's a much quicker return to normal function, and patients are usually much happier with the procedure. A robotic surgery is done with the same traditional implants. However, the procedure to do it involves a robotic handpiece. That handpiece is controlled by the surgeon. It's not done by a robot or anything like that, but it does allow for much more precise alignment as well as precise cuts for our surgery that will hopefully allow for a much longer lasting implant. A robotic surgery gives me a chance to get the patient's surgery done in a much more precise alignment. We're able to get that joint replacement done with less pain. Patients are much happier and much more satisfied than traditional surgeries. I think some patients have an idea that robotic surgery exists. I think that a lot of times they don't really know the difference. We're able to explain to them that over a traditional replacement, robotic surgery will allow for improved recovery. It allows for much smaller incisions, and patients are much happier with the outcome once they're done.
Find out today if robotic knee replacement is right for you. Call 816-317-5070 or go online to GreinerOrthopedics.com.